I'm going to show you 5 really cool perennials that you can have for spring color. This is an English primrose and it's yellow picotee. It has a really different flower to it and it is hardy on the west coast. These plants appreciate a little bit of break from hot afternoon sun, but if you want to plant them in a rich humic soil, they will really thrive. These babies are Bergenia, and Bergenia are evergreen, and they throw up these beautiful flower spikes. They're great in full sun or part shade, and again, a rich humic soil. They're just a really easy front of the border plant to live with. These are pulmonaria or lungwort. This one is shrimps on the Barbie and this is Dark Vader. I have had my pulmonaria Mrs. Moon in my garden for 15 years. They're very easy to live with. Can be part sun, well-drained soil, nice humic soil, and other than that you just ignore them and they just do their own thing in your garden. This is pasque flower or pulsatia vulgaris. It's a great rockery plant. I have it at home. Both the flower heads and the seed heads are really showy and delicate looking. It appreciates either full sun or part shade and a very well draining spot. And other than that, it just chugs along on its own. These delicate woodland beauties are anemone nimarosa, and this one is royal blue, and this one is going to open to be a beautiful white color. This is alba plena white. They will form this beautiful little grove in a part shady humic position in your woodland garden and will surprise you every year in spring with these beautiful delicate flowers that are super hardy. Thanks for joining us in the Perennial House, and a special shout out and hi to Kareen and her mom from Seashelt.